previous lesson natin, pinag-usapan chapter 1 saka chapter 2. Ngayon naman, chapter 3. Money Making on the Road, The Daily Adventures of Young Street Vendor. Ang phenomenology, study to ng mga live experiences. There are something in common sa kanila. And then the researcher will attain a certain description base doon sa mga sinabi ng mga participant. Sa chapter 3 po, research methodology, nandiyan po ang research design, sources of data, participants of the study, data gathering procedure, treatment and analysis of data, ethical consideration. Ito po yung parte na nandun na po talaga sa paper, kaya po magbabasa po tayo. This chapter will discuss, kung gagawin pa lang, discuss kung tapos na, past tense, the research design, the selection of the participant as well as the instrumentation and validation, data gathering procedures, and treatment and analysis of data. Okay, sa research design, ang focus po natin dito is yung phenomenological research design. Hindi ko na po babasahin lahat po, which focuses on identifying and analyzing what all the participants had in common as they experienced a phenomenon by reducing individual experiences with the phenomenon to a description of the universal essence. Pag sinabing universal essence, ito na yung pinaka-overall nung malalaman ng mga researchers patungkol dun sa mga participants nila. Yung phenomenology po is pwede rin pong tawaging psychological phenomenology. Okay po? Which was focused less on the interpretation of the researchers and more on the description of the experiences of the participants. Sources of data. Ito, hinighlight ko na lang po, 5 young individuals who have experience working